Hello, it's Diego Castro. I hope you have a nice new year. Just wanted to tell you that this Wednesday we are continuing our classes of the School of Magical Love with a new theme that is called the Math of Love. And this new workshop is going to teach us a lot of interesting and beautiful things. For instance, it is going to teach us how we can learn to observe ourselves so that we can stop being everything that happens around us and we can learn to be ourselves and find ourselves with that state of I am, which is an inner state of invulnerability. This theme is going to teach us what is the real meaning of love and how we can learn to see the purpose of love behind everything that we don't understand and learn to see the purpose of love in every experience that we face on a daily basis. So every Thursday or every Wednesday after the class I will be posting a short video in which I'm going to summarize everything that we learn in every class of the School of Magic of Love. But I hope that you can join us in our full-length classes. The School of Magic of Love is a very beautiful information that will change your life forever if you dare to see inside of yourself and you can learn to see that life is something very different that we were taught. So I hope you can join us all in the School of Magic of Love. And you are interested in the School of Magic of Love, you can send me a direct message or you can contact me in these numbers that you are going to find here down below, or you can write me a direct message on Instagram. You find my Instagram here or in my number. So I hope you have all a nice day, that this year started with a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm, and a lot of fun. I hope I can see you in the School of Magic of Love, and see you soon.